हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू रील्स बाय TVL। आज हम शुरू करेंगे एक एकदम न्यू सीरीज विच इज़ अबाउट मिनट्स विद मॉम्स। आई विल बी कवरिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मॉम्स जो मैं मिलूंगी जिनसे डे इन एंड डे आउट, और हम शेयर करेंगे कि क्या स्टोरी है उनकी एंड हाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली हाउ दे मैनेज देयर वर्क एंड लाइफ। सो आज मेरे साथ है आर्निका मनचंदा। आर्निका मनचंदा इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, और मैंने सोचा था व्हाई नॉट स्टार्ट दिस न्यू सीरीज विद एन एंटरप्रेन्योर जिसको एक पूरा का पूरा न्यू बिजनेस मैनेज करना पड़ा है, एंड शी इज अ मॉम टू a 1.5-year-old as well, 15 months. So Arnika, just tell me that let's begin with your mom introduction. That just tell me that what's your kid, how's the age, or just give an intro.
He's like 15 months old. I just love playing with him. And he's like, as a boy I can say, लोग बोलते हैं कि लड़कियां ज़्यादा शरारती होती है, but I think equally होते हैं, because if you talk about girls, उनका जो शरारती होती है that is a different kind of thing they like to do, playing and everything. If you talk about boys, they're like notorious, बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब उनमें ये रहता है कि मेरे को मतलब they want to experiment each and everything. They want to see कि ये चीज़ कैसे होती है. Even they want to see कि मैं अगर ये चीज़ ऐसे मम्मा कर रही हैं तो वो कैसे कर रही हैं, पापा अगर करें so even I want to do the same thing.
अच्छा, so ये बॉयज ऐसा करते हैं. ओके, ठीक है. सो इनका एक 15 months old बेबी बॉय है विच इज व्हाट्स हिज नेम? आरव. ओके, एंड लेट्स बिगिन विद योर प्रेगनेंसी. इज देयर एनी स्टोरी, इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक थिंग जो आप शेयर करना चाहती हैं ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, जो हमारी ऑडियंस जो देख रही है वो मे बी यूजफुल टिप हो ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी?
See, what I feel is it's for everyone कि during pregnancy the first and important thing apart from the diets and medicines which you take is you should be happy from inner self. I mean from अंदर से आपको खुश होना चाहिए, because that eventually affects the baby and it affects you as well. आपका skin पे, आपकी health पे वो affect करता है. Because I've seen moms जो मतलब at the time of pregnancy they're not, वो इतना happy नहीं होती, maybe because of इमोशनल लेवल उनका लो होता है. देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स दैट इज अटैच्ड, बट आई थिंक
तो ये कैसे हैप्पी रहे? एनीथिंग टू वॉच और एनीथिंग टू रीड स्पेसिफिकली? आई
थिंक यू शुड, अगर आप इफ यू आर वर्किंग, इफ यू नॉट वर्किंग एज वेल, अगर आप वर्किंग है देन यू शुड रेगुलरली गो टू योर ऑफिस, बिकॉज जितना आप जाएंगे यू विल स्टे एक्टिव. ठीक है, प्लस आपका वो यू विल बी एंगेज्ड इन सम थिंग्स. राइट, यू वोंट गेट फ्री टाइम. एंड अगर आप घर पे हैं, राइट, इफ यू आर अ हाउसवाइफ, तो उसमें आई विल से कि आप कुछ ना कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग रीड बुक्स, सी सम इंस्पिरेशनल पिक्चर्स, मे बी मूवीज आप देख सकती हैं, सो दैट विल हेल्प यू. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ डू समथिंग.
ठीक है. सो आई थिंक ऑल इन ऑल आर्निका वांट्स टू से दैट आप डोंट बी आइडल. Get yourself engaged with something or the other, and that something or the other has to be inspirational enough ताकि आप inspired रहे throughout your 9 months from within. Actually just jump to the main question, which is managing your work and mom life. उससे पहले अब मुझे बताओ कि when did you exactly join back work? And what do you think about that? Was it late, early, or was it the perfect timing? और यहाँ आप सोचो कि हाँ शायद इससे थोड़ी सी जल्दी भी कर सकती थी, या थोड़ी लेट भी कर सकती थी. When was the exact time when you joined back work?
See, I joined after, like, he was born in September, so I joined in February.
Okay, which is around
I mean 5 months.
5 months, okay.
Though some people say that it was too early, थोड़ा आपको 6-7 months तक आपको रुकना चाहिए था, but I think that was a perfect time, because at that point of time he was small, he was like 5 months old only. Plus उसको अभी इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि मम्मा ऑफिस जा रही हैं या कुछ मैं मिस करूँगा. So धीरे by the time he became like 7 months or 8 months, तो उसको realize हुआ, he was used to that कि मम्मा अब ऑफिस जाती हैं, तो मेरे को इतना वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. Although I may be wrong, कई लोगों को लगता होगा कि 6-7 months बाद ही होता है, so they are right at their part, but मुझे लगा for me 5 months was the perfect time.
Okay, because guys, I am also you guys know that I have a 5-month-old, and मैं भी अभी भी इस इस confusion में that when exactly should I join back work. So that's why I thought that this is very important that exactly कब join करना चाहिए. So maybe Arnika wants to say that 5 months because he's not into his senses that much that he understands things. So इसलिए उसने उस time पे join करा, and I think it's a good take. So that's really great. Ab just let me know that when did you join, that how do you manage your work and mom life?
मेरे को किसी ने बोला था कि try to adjust your child according to your schedule.
Okay.
डोंट गो अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज स्केड्यूल. मतलब अगर आप बच्चे के स्केड्यूल से चलोगे तो आप बिल्कुल टाइम मैनेज नहीं कर पाओगे, बिकॉज वो कितने बजे उठेगा, कितने बजे वो नहाएगा, कब सोएगा, तो आपका सारा टाइम जो है वर्किंग जो है वो मिसबैलेंस हो जाएगा.
बट ये करना आसान है, मतलब उसके हिसाब अपने हिसाब से स्केड्यूल उसका बनाना.
I think
by when, what age हम ये कर सकते हैं?
I think it is not that difficult. By the time आपका बेबी जब बैठने लग पड़े, थोड़ा उसको हो जाए कि वो अपने आप एक्टिविटीज कर रहा है, तब आप जैसे अब आपको पता है कि मैं इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, तो मुझे पता है मैं उठी हूँ. अगर वो भी उठ गया है तो मैं धीरे धीरे उसको फिर आई टेक हिम टू बाथ, और वो भी अकॉर्डिंग टू माई टाइमिंग. बिकॉज अगर मैं उसका वेट करूंगी सो आई विल बी लेट फॉर माई वर्क. सो आई प्रेफर कि मैं अपने अकॉर्डिंगली उसको करूँ. हाँ, देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि उसके अकॉर्डिंगली भी होना चाहिए, दैट उसके स्लीपिंग टाइम एक बना हुआ है. बट अगर मैं उसको स्टार्टिंग से आदत नहीं डालूंगी तो व्हाट इफ ही स्लीप्स बाय 1 or 2 इन द नाइट, मैं उसका वेट करूंगी सोने का. सो आई मेक श्योर दैट बाय 10-10:30 ही इज इन द बेड. आई स्विच ऑफ द लाइट्स एंड आई मेक हिम स्लीप, सो दैट बाय द मॉर्निंग जब मैं उठती हूँ so he gets up by 8 o'clock. तो वो मेरी रूटीन के अंदर now he is into it. Starting में it was bit difficult for me because initially था, but now he is into it. So starting से ही अगर आप अपने बेबी को ये आदत डालते हो, so it is good for you as well, and for especially for working women, आपको वो टाइम मैनेज करना पड़ेगा.
Okay. So Arnika wants to say basically that you number one tip is, and then I think it's a great tip, that आपको अपना schedule के हिसाब से अपने बच्चे को manage करना है. Guys, ये बहुत useful and बहुत ही interesting conversation है. And I love talking to other moms because हम एक community है guys. You know, we are a community and we feel and we understand each other so much that हमें अच्छा लगता है एक दूसरे से बात करना, एक दूसरे से questions पूछना. So अगर आपके पास भी कुछ questions हैं तो why won't you guys comment below, and maybe in the next interview I'll ask, or maybe I'll ask Arnika and I'll reply on her behalf. And now we'll just move into the last phase of my interview, which is a quick rapid fire. Let's begin. The best baby product brand you've used?
Aveeno. Anything.
Okay. What do you think is the best skincare product एक बच्चे के लिए? Is it a lotion or is it a body wash? What is the most important for his skin?
Important is the body wash. That depends, because if you use something that is more dry, so your baby's skin will get dry. Okay. So it's better that choose a right body wash. Then again you can apply moisturizer, and there you go.
Amongst these, what do you think? That one product you can't leave your baby to without.
If you say that one product that I can't make my baby to stop using it is the nappy rash cream. Okay. That is, I say
which nappy rash?
I use pseudo cream.
Okay. Let's talk about his feeding. Do you formula milk him?
Yes.
So which is the formula milk which you use?
Initially I used to use Similac, but then I have switched to Nanpro.
Next is a very fun question, which is the favorite game आप उसके साथ खेलना पसंद करती हैं, and maybe any tips on playing game and make him engaged.
He likes playing with balls and bats.
I'm sure he's a boy.
Yeah, but he loves. He's like crazy for balls. I think I have close to 10 to 15 balls. मतलब इसके रूम में वो रहती हैं. So it's like crazy. So I think that मेरे को उसके साथ engage करना वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है उसके साथ.
Okay. Now the next question is, which is the one thing you've bought for your baby and you think is the best invested? Maybe a heavy thing, a costly thing which you've bought for him, and which you think is a great investment and every mother should very much buy it.
I think his stroller. मतलब stroller is a must have.
Okay.
Because stroller is something, because आपका baby जैसे बड़ा होता है, so although he starts walking by himself, but then again कि आपको कहीं पे भी जाना है, मॉल जाना है, कहीं पे भी जाना है, because he won't walk much. तो वो थक जाता है, right? So in that point of view, I think stroller that is the must-have thing in your list.
So, Asha, quickly, which stroller do you have if you want to tell our audience?
See, I think that the one that I have, that is from Love Lab, but I think don't invest much in this.
Okay.
That is like they'll use it for 2 to 3 years, not beyond that.
Okay. And last question is that which is that one thing you regret buying?
There are no such thing that I regret, but yeah,
maybe something आपको gift आया हो and you think that it's not worth it. Anything which is you think is not worth it buying for a baby. I will not be that useful.
I think as such कोई particular thing नहीं है, but yeah there are some things जैसे for example a tent house है for such a small kid, if you have given it, baby's mindset is कि मैं इससे खेलूंगा थोड़ी देर, उसके बाद he gets bored, he won't play much again, है ना? तो उसको कुछ ऐसा मुझे लगता है, because some people have thinking कि हाँ महंगे toys लेंगे, महंगी चीज लेंगे, so they'll enjoy more. नहीं, I think they'll play it for 1 or 2 hours and then they'll get bored. So it's like don't invest much on these things.
Great. Thank you so much, Arnika. But a class that, you know, whoever moms, there are so many moms who are watching it right now. So which is that, you know, maybe you want to talk to them, and which is one advice you want to give to them, and just put your heart out, and you know, to all the moms, what is the one message you want to give?
See, one message that I want to give is stay healthy, stay active. Even if you're not working, try to do some things, because आप करोगे तो that will be automatically वो आपका baby भी चीजें करेगा.
Okay.
So it will make him active. Okay. Right. Okay. Secondly, try to speak to your child from the very beginning itself. उसे बातें करने की कोशिश करो आप उसी की लैंग्वेज में ही. थोड़ा so he'll understand things, because कुछ बच्चे होते हैं that I've seen कि उनसे ज़्यादा कोई घर पे अगर ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं, interaction नहीं होती, so जब वो बाहर जाते हैं so they enjoy more. थोड़ा ओपननेस रहता है, बिकॉज आई थिंक दीज आर द बिल्डिंग ईयर्स. अगर वो यहीं से ही आप लोग अपने बेबी को स्टार्टिंग से ही वो चीजें कराना शुरू करते हो, यू टॉक टू देम, स्टार्ट प्लेइंग विद देम, टेक देम आउट और सब, तो दैट विल हेल्प यू इवेंचुअली बाद में जाके.
Okay, and you know, मेरे दिमाग में एक और question आया during all this, that maybe let's talk about the emotional front of, you know, the kid as well. That can we talk about something that how do you emotionally manage him, and what do you think is very important, which is that emotional time. क्या आप करते हो that, you know, you make sure that इतना काम है, you manage your work, you manage your mom life, खाना पीना सब कुछ है, लेकिन इन सब में, you know, you shouldn't forget your emotional connect with the child. So maybe, you know, few tips on that how do you manage that?
See, it's like obviously moms are more attached to their child as compared to father. They are also attached, but हाँ जो एक mother का attachment होता है that is totally different. But although I'm working, but I make sure as soon as I reach my home, I give my 100% to my child. वो जो time मेरे पास होता है ना, तो मैं उसमें मैं see I've stopped going to social gathering. तो मैं जाती हूँ, but I've like मैंने कम कर दिया, because my priorities have been changed.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I don't want my child should feel neglected कि नहीं मम्मा पापा आ रहे हैं, because he waits at the door कि हाँ ये आएंगे. It's like evening time, so he wants to hug me.
Yeah.
So I make sure कि मैं अगर emotionally अगर उसको आप मुझे बोलते हो कि how I get connected to him, so I make sure कि वो कहीं ना वो he is not sad or lonely. Okay. Because a baby can feel anything.
Yeah.
And they are more emotional than us.
Of course.
So ये चीज़ रहती है.
ठीक है. Great. I hope guys आपको पसंद आया होगा ये इंटरव्यू. एंड Arnika, thank you so much for, you know, आपने टाइम निकाला है, and you've shared so much with me and my audience. I hope this series become, you know, great, and we all become a great community. Thank you so much guys for watching it. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment this video. Thank you so much.